Sir, last I want to say, like, wonderful thank you. I think this word is very small that to describe my feelings that today was literally one of the best webinars. We met so many Canadian boys and foreign persons, many more persons, celebrities, and many more, good personality. So it
Your
was
camera is
literally
off.
very,
Camera is
very
off. Camera is off. Please do your camera on while speaking. Hmm.
our experience really very very good. Actually, the words are very less to describe my feelings. And this is the only institute which uh, think about the life, and I think this is the very big outcome. And so many students are left, but I want to just share my message that everyone was performing well, and their experience was motivating us. And I think obviously we will motivate it in our life, and we will also do our best. And one day we will also become on the place of, and we will speak place of them, and we will also share our experience after getting a good package, good job. Thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful class.
Nice, nice. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Ishpreet. Anybody else? Anybody else would like to say anything?